Hey guys, welcome back to another brand new video. Now, in this video, I want to talk about Bitcoin, okay? Because I am still bullish with Bitcoin, guys. Even though, yes, as you guys can see, Bitcoin right now for the past 24 hours is down, almost 2%. For the past 7 days, it is down over 6%. And for the past month, okay, 30 days, it is down over 18%, right? And a lot of people right now are bearish with Bitcoin. I don't know why. Okay, like even though yes, Bitcoin is having this slight dip right now, even the whole crypto market, as you guys can see, we talked about it a lot, right? Most altcoins on the crypto market, right? Same with Bitcoin, is in fact dipping, and Apecoin is doing its own thing, right? But other altcoins out there are in fact mostly in the reds, as you guys can see, right? So in this video, I want to talk about why I truly do believe that we will be seeing a new all-time high for Bitcoin this year in 2022, right? I am still, like, you guys, if you've been watching my videos, you guys will know that my price prediction for Bitcoin this year for 2022 is $100,000 here in Australia. Okay, guys, I live in Australia, so I'm using Australian currency prices here. You know what I mean? I'm not using USD prices. You know what I mean? So that's the difference there, right? But for people in America, your all-time high for Bitcoin was about $69,000, right? And then here in Australia for us, it was about $90,000 or $92,000, right? So I really do see Bitcoin reaching $100,000 sometime this year in 2022, right? And I'm gonna explain why, right? But yes, guys, Bitcoin, it is still dipping slightly right now. It's not really doing anything. I believe it's on a straight line, right? As you guys can see, let me just go 1 week. So you guys can see we had this dip, and now it's just kind of consolidating. You know what I mean? It's not really doing anything. It's just pretty much on a straight line. So this is completely normal, right? But here's why I really do believe Bitcoin is going to reach a new all-time high back over here, right? So this was Bitcoin's pretty much all-time high, $90,000, right? Over $90,000 here in Australia. Okay, I'm talking about AUD prices here, guys. Okay, just to make sure that you guys are paying attention, right? Because a lot of you guys comment down below and get confused, like Bitcoin has never reached $80,000, $90,000, right? Because that's you guys living in America. It's different currencies here, right? So here in Australia, yes, Bitcoin, as you guys can see, it did reach over $90,000. Okay, so I'm not lying here, right? And this is why I really do see Bitcoin reaching a new all-time high, right? Bitcoin is going to be shooting up all the way, like, up here to, like, $100,000, like, all the way up here, right? That's just because I really do see Bitcoin, repeating itself, right, with this cycle about what it's doing. So as you guys saw, Bitcoin absolutely exploded, okay, in 2021. As you guys can see, in 2021, Bitcoin absolutely exploded to a new all-time high, which was about $80,000, right? And this is where I saw Bitcoin at, you know what I mean? I saw Bitcoin around here as well, but I saw Bitcoin mainly here, and I wanted to buy in, but I knew Bitcoin was going to dip, right? And then it did. I had this huge dip right here. Let me just go to the 1 year chart real quick, right? So I can easily show you guys. So it dipped all the way here. And then here, guys, right around here to here, this is where I mainly started to accumulate my first ever Bitcoin, my first ever one whole Bitcoin, right? From here to here. And this time period was about 3 months, right? May, June, and July. And then after that, it just completely exploded, right? Went up, down a little bit, and then up to a new all-time high, right? Now, as you can see right here, guys, it is $92,000. Like, literally, look at my marker, $92,000. And then after that, guys, this was in, I believe, November. Yeah. Ever since November, guys, it's just been going down now, and this is where we are at right now, right? So as you guys can see, right, this cycle, you guys can see, it sort of looks like a mountain, 2 mountains, right? Boom, 1 mountain here, and then another mountain right here, pretty much, right? Now, as you guys can see, when we had this mountain, right, you guys can see we had a huge downtrend right here, huge dip, And then it's just been doing nothing for about 3 months. You know what I mean? Look at here, right? It's pretty much exactly the same thing on what it's doing right here, right? So I really do believe we're going to be seeing Bitcoin exploding sooner than you guys think. Okay, even though yes, right now there's a lot of panic selling, you know what I mean? A lot of people are fearful in the market right now with Bitcoin. It's not even just cryptocurrency, right? It's even the stock market. Stock markets are going down, you know what I mean? A lot, right? Look at Amazon. Sorry guys, pardon me. So it's not just cryptocurrency that's dipping, guys. It's literally the stock market as well, right? And that's why I tell you guys to never be fearful, right? Always never sell any of your positions in Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a great long-term investment. If you're investing into Bitcoin, do it for long-term. Who cares about, short-term gains? Because trust me, guys, right? If you trade with Bitcoin, trust me, it's going to screw with your emotions. This market is really volatile. Bitcoin, right? The Bitcoin price is really volatile. It goes up and down a lot, right? So I really do believe history does repeat itself. You know what I mean? Like literally went up, down, and then we have for the past 3 months it's been doing nothing, right? And it's gone up again, and then now we're back down, and now it's not really doing much. For the past few months, guys, like literally at the beginning of 2022, we had a lot of crashes, you know what I mean? A lot of crashes right here, right? In January and February, right? We had 2 major crashes, right? And now it's just been going up and down, up and down. Nothing really interesting is happening with Bitcoin, right? Like literally nothing is happening. Look at this, guys. You know what I mean? Like literally same thing. 2 mountains right here, you know what I mean? And I believe we're going to be seeing another mountain, right? That's going to be so much higher. Okay, we're going to be seeing a bigger mountain that's going to reach, all-time highs at $100,000, right? So that's my point of view with Bitcoin. I really do believe we're going to be seeing a new all-time high. So far, Bitcoin is having some type of support level, you know what I mean? A little bit. But like I said, if Bitcoin plummets to about, $40,000 where it was around here, you know what I mean? Around here, right? Back in 2021, then we are in trouble. Okay, we are in trouble, right? But hey, let's just say Bitcoin does plummet to back down to like $50,000, $45,000, $40,000. I'm still bullish. Okay, I'm still bullish, and you best to know I'm still going to be buying more Bitcoins, right? So guys, that's my point of view, and that's why I believe Bitcoin is going to skyrocket. You know what I mean? And obviously the demand for Bitcoin will go up, and of course when Bitcoin goes up, there will be a lot of FOMO, right? So a lot of people will have that feeling of, fear of missing out. So then they're just going to start investing into Bitcoin when it goes back up, right? So a lot of people do like to FOMO, you know what I mean? And I used to FOMO a lot, but I have learned my lesson and I don't do that no more, because I know that crypto, right, this market is really volatile. Usually when a cryptocurrency pumps a lot, let's just say it pumps, over 20% in a day. Okay, that's a huge pump. It's going to drop back down a lot. Okay, it's just how it is. So guys, you guys let me know in the comments down below what you guys think, but this is just my own personal opinion, and this is what I believe is going to happen, right? We're going to see another huge mountain. We're going to see another rally up, just like what I did here and here. Okay, so that's why I believe Bitcoin is going to reach a new all-time high this year in 2022, even though, yes, this year so far hasn't been great for Bitcoin. Okay, like literally, it has not been great for Bitcoin. It's not a great start for Bitcoin, right? Like we saw in 2021, it was a great start for Bitcoin. You know what I mean? You saw these few rallies up, you know what I mean? But then it just plummeted. But then it went back up again. Mid 2021, it just went back up again. This is November right here. Now we're going back down, and this is where we are right now. So guys, this is why I believe Bitcoin is going to reach a new all-time high this year in 2022. You know what I mean? Like I really do believe we're going to be seeing Bitcoin explode really soon. Okay, it's going to explode, right? I really do believe that, just as my own personal opinion. Like it has to, you know what I mean? Like it really has to, because for the past few weeks and months, Bitcoin hasn't really been doing anything. Yes, even though we did see huge pumps every now and then, but there'll just be pumps and then dips, right? And this is a perfect example on why Bitcoin is really, really, really volatile. You know what I mean? So guys, be prepared for a Bitcoin explosion, a Bitcoin pump. Okay, so for my Bitcoin holders out there, be prepared for what is about to happen with Bitcoin. Be bullish with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is not going anywhere. Bitcoin is going to become global one day, and a lot of people will start wanting to own Bitcoin and start investing into Bitcoin, right? So that's when the demand goes up, and obviously if the demand goes up, obviously the price will go up, because there's only a limited supply of Bitcoins. As you can see right now, currently over 19 million Bitcoins have been mined. Okay, 19 million. And people say the year 2140 is the last Bitcoin to be mined. So not everyone can own a Bitcoin. There's over 7 billion people that live on Earth, right? And there's only 21 million Bitcoins. Okay, so if you think about it, not everyone can own a Bitcoin. 7 billion people, over 7 billion people, okay? 7 billion people live on Earth, and there's only 21 million Bitcoins. Not even everyone can own 1% of a Bitcoin. Think about it. So, that's why I've been telling you guys and literally reminding you guys to always invest your money into Bitcoin. That's why I've been making a bunch of videos on why you guys should own at least one single Bitcoin, because this one single Bitcoin can change your life forever. Okay, it will make you rich, have some type of wealth, and of course the biggest one, have financial freedom. Because if you have financial freedom, it's a rare thing to have in this world. Like, it really is, right? Having financial freedom is really rare. It's extremely rare. You know what I mean? Like, it really is, right? And I know a lot of people out there want to have some type of financial freedom, and Bitcoin is a way to go. And also, if you want to stay away from inflation, Bitcoin is a hedge against that, right? Bitcoin is a hedge against inflation. But guys, this is just my own personal opinion about Bitcoin. You guys let me know in the comments below, right? You see Bitcoin reaching a new all-time high sometime this year in 2022? Because personally, I'm still sticking with it. I really do believe, my personal price prediction for Bitcoin to hit $100,000, we are halfway there pretty much, right? Is possible, right? It's going to take time. We are still early in this year in 2022, so there's still time to grow and to see where Bitcoin will be heading this year in 2022, right? We're not even halfway through the year, so we are still early. It's only April, guys, right? It's about to be May, literally about to be May tomorrow, 1st of May, right? So it's going to be a new month, and it's going to be a great month for Bitcoin, in my opinion. You know what I mean? But guys, so far, yes, Bitcoin is looking good, even though, yes, we are having some slight dips. You know what I mean? Really just consolidating right now, as you guys can see, right? But yeah, it's all good. I'm here for the long run. I'm not here for the short terms, you know what I mean? The short-term gains. I'm here for the long-term gains. So yeah, that's that, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna go ahead and here, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and guys, let me know in the comments down below, where do you guys see Bitcoin reaching this year in 2022 price-wise? Okay, I want to see you guys' price prediction for Bitcoin this year in 2022. Let me know in the comments down below what your personal price prediction for Bitcoin is for this year. But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. I really appreciate that. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Have a blessed day.